So alright, welcome everyone. This is the third video of verb Vardhan, and today we will see that how Vardhan is used in conjunctive phase. Now the Vardhan is used in English we say would, or when we are trying to express our wishes, possibilities, emotions or opinions. We will take example and it will become more clear to you. So in case of wishes we can say ish wurde gerne eine kurze Fahrt machen. Ich würde gerne eine kurze Fahrt machen, or in English it means I would like to go on a cruise. I would like to go on a cruise. Now it's a wish that I would like to do this, so we use with würde with u umlaut. In the phase of possibility we can say hatten wir genug Geld, würden wir uns das Haus kaufen. Hatten wir das genug Geld, würden wir das Haus kaufen, or in English it means if we had enough money we would buy the house. So genug means enough, or which is efficient or more than enough, like it's English. Enough means Geld mean money, würden of course would, wir uns das Haus mean house, and kaufen means to buy. If we had enough money we would buy the house. It's the possibility, like when we will have enough money we will buy the house. So the würde is used in possibility case. Another thing is würde mich sehr traurig oder sehr traurig machen, wenn du gingst. Es würde mich sehr traurig machen, wenn du gingst, or in English it means it would make me really sad if you left or if you go. So traurig means sad, and it will make me very sad if you make go. Now this is the sentence which is used in emotions, or we express emotions also using würde. This is the possibility. And last we will see to use würde in opinion. Ich würde den Tiger nicht füttern. Füttern means to feed, but to feed to animal. If we say eat, we say essen, like we are eating. But to feed or to give food to animal, to food to something, it's called füttern. I would not feed the tiger. So this was a sentence used in opinions. So basically würde is used in conjunctive phases in wishes, possibility, emotions and opinions, and there is a link down there from where you can download this PDF file. See you next video.